Sunday home reset, and we are going thrifting. Hi, it's Sharon, and we are going thrifting at Value Village. Hi, it's Sharon, and I'm at Value Village, and it's been a long time since I've been thrifting, so I thought I'd just have a look around and see what I can find, not looking for anything in particular. Anyhow, I'd like to welcome you to my channel if you're new, and welcome my regular subscribers, and thank you very much for subscribing. And if you're new here, please subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up, and leave me a comment so I know where you're from. So, during the Christmas holidays, we stopped in at this thrift store as one of the things we did this day. And I found a few things, but not much. Anyhow, that was a cute little dish. Looked like it was for a soap dish. And I'm just going to play a little music and let you see what I'm looking at. Well, coming up right now is a couple of swans, and I know Mama Brooke loves her swans, and they have crowns on their head. So Mama Brooke, here's a toothbrush holder and a soap holder of a couple of swans with crowns on their head. And her YouTube channel is Mama Brooke. Have a look. She's a good YouTuber. Well, in this thrift store, of course, they had the music quite loud, so I'm going to do a bit of a voiceover right here. And I found this big bunch of sticks. It was kind of tempting, but I thought, I can get sticks. And now we're going into the Christmas section. And I was kind of keeping my eye out for some more garland. I know I have quite a bit, but I'm thinking, well, next year I'd like to do my banister a little different. And sometimes you can get some really good buys and find something special after Christmas. So I was just having a quick peek through all this stuff. Well, I hope everyone had a happy new year. We had a great new year. We just stayed home quietly, and the next day, on New Year's Day, we were invited out to my nephew's house for a lovely dinner, and she cooked what are called good luck noodles, so that we'll have good luck for the whole year. I thought that was really nice that they invited us over. Well, just looking around still. It's been a while since I've been thrifting. And I wanted to be a little frugal because I did get a lot of stuff for Christmas in the lines of some Christmas decor and stuff that I can use next year. So I'm just looking around, not finding a whole lot. I do like those Santas, but I do have a few, and I've really stocked my Santa collection. I liked this garland. I thought it was nice because it had several different kinds of green in it, different textures. It had nice berries and it had lights, but I don't know, I think the price was like still $14 or something. And I thought, well, I don't know if I want to spend that much on a garland for next year, because I know I can get some off of Amazon that I really want. And I think they were $7, so I can get two for the price of one of those. Okay, so now I'm just going to play a little more music and let you have a look. I don't think there's anything here I can use. Oh, $2.99, that's perfect. Just some little puzzles. And I get them because I do a children's class. Yeah, it teaches patience. Christmas hand. Well, we're in the metal section, and I don't usually find too much in the metal section. Found this cross with a heart on it. Not sure what that's all about. If you know, let me know. It was pretty darn heavy, so it was quite iron. I found this little apple, and it's a napkin holder. And spoiler alert, but I did buy it because I wanted a napkin holder to put in our trailer that we have for the summer to hold a few napkins on my table. And I thought that would be rather pretty. So I'm just gonna let you listen to some music now. And I would like to encourage you to subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed. And give me a thumbs up if you like it. And leave me a comment so I know where you're from, so I can say hello. And let me know if you thrift. What do you like to thrift for? Did you find some vests? I got this thrifting somewhere that I can store my fairy garden littles, and then these can go into the baskets over here. This basket has stuff that goes on my desk, so I can take that out. And I can put put this right in here, and there's room to put other stuff in there too. So when I want littles for my fairy gardens and stuff, I can take this whole thing out and they'll be separated in here. Not sure how I'm going to do that yet, but I have a lot of little things. So I'm going to organize that like that. And I found this at the thrift store. I found this at the thrift store. Oh, for heaven's sakes. Oh. Hope you enjoyed that little blooper. Anyhow, thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!